Hey Brock Crane, how you doing tonight, Brock? Got a new icon for you? You do, Dart Brat. Yes, you do. I think your next one will be 9 months, Dart Brat, and that's going to be a pink iced donut. Only one person has a 12-month sub badge right now that I know of, and it's Hey It's Me Salty. Abel, good to see you. Thank you for the follow, Abel. Next ball is going to be mini cinnamon rolls. It's hanging good, Tiger Phantom. How's it going for you, dude? It's hanging pretty good. Thank you, Brock. Tonight is an especially chill night for me, for sure. But I try to keep it relaxing for people. We try to focus on positive energy. And I just want people to be able to end their day or start their day on a good note. So this seems to be a good channel for that. Dart Brat, that's 3 get the subs today, Dart Brat. Thank you very much for that. You're up to 3 donuts. You are up to 3 donuts now, Dart Brat, that I'm going to mail to you. Thank you so much, Dart Brat. I don't know who you get to Brock Crane. Brock, you better have been serious, man, when you're talking about liking my chill whatever. Because now you're locked in for life. By the way, guys, anyone that hasn't subbed to my channel before, for the first time, we are offering 20% off all brand new subs to the channel. And also, you can use your Twitch Primes to even get my emotes for free. Thank you, Dart Brat. That person could have got us up for $4. Instead, Dart Brat spent $5 to hook him up. I love you, Dart Brat. Thank you for the support, for real. If that sub count dropped to 0 and I had to start all over, I would, Dart Brat. Thank you for that, and it's because of people like you. If I had to start all over, I would. But I do need to get better about kind of treating this stream as a business, trying to grow it as such. And sometimes people need a reminder to use that Twitch Prime. I know I had Twitch Prime for a long time, and I only used it maybe 3 or 4 times. I'm actually, now that I've said it, I'm kind of ashamed of myself. But I definitely did not use it as much as I should have, and I don't think I have Twitch Prime anymore. I don't know why. When a person loses weight, the majority of the weight is expelled when they breathe out. When a person loses weight, the majority of that weight is expelled when they breathe out. Yeah, interesting, Shredded Brennan. Very interesting, dude. So you just gotta breathe more to lose weight? Xanthos, how you doing, Xanthos? Good to see you, man. What do you do for work? Wait, do I need... Nice, Jay. You're gonna stream, dude? I hope my Twitch Prime works. I just tried linking mine. Dart Brat. You've had a Twitch Prime this whole time and you've been paying for subs on my channel? Thank you, Dart Brat. It's a chemical reaction when fat gets used up, gets Nin, good to see you, Nin. How's your day? I meant to turn this off. Alright, I'm gonna light a fire, set the mood. Look at that, size 13.5. I have to buy new shoes every 3 months. Because the grease in here, the flour, is a shoe destroyer. You don't want to wear shoes that are resistant to water or grease because then your feet can't breathe. I could try Crocs, I guess. You know, now that I've got the feet cam, I might get a pair of Crocs. I think that would look pretty hot. Alright, these are my mini cinnamon rolls right here. Please enjoy the rest of your night. I love you, Jen Junkie. Have a great rest of your night, Jen. So what batch you on and what number batch you going to? Charles, good question. Charles, you got gifted a sub today, by the way. By Dart Brat. That's batch number 2 in the bowl there, Charles. And I just got done with batch number 1. Alright, I'm gonna get some fritter dough chopped up real quick. Thank you for being my friend, Jen. Have a great sleep. Hey, Coach Call. Sorry, been playing Satisfactory. Awesome, Coach Call. Glad you like that game. It's always good when you can get hooked on a game like that. Enjoy it, Coach Call. It's good to see you. Thank you for being my friend. Last game I was hooked on is called The Forest. Oh, Scary Momo. Scary Mom of 2. Thank you for the follow, Scary Mom of 2. I'm a scary dad of 1. How are you doing tonight? Thank you so much for the follow. Alright, so this is my scrap dough from the first batch. I'm going to turn it into apple fritter dough now. I use cinnamon and apple turnover to do that. Mechanical Apple. Thank you so much for the follow. How you doing, dude? Mechanical Apple. I dare you to say your name holding your tongue. Last game I was hooked on is called Night in the Woodsome. The Forest is scary, wuss. How you doing, wuss?